Okay, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we are discussing CSS selectors, right? Uh, so, anyone has any issues with that CSS selectors that you have tried that already all are working or fine, or you have facing any issues regarding that CSS selectors? So, if we don't have any issues, means so we can continue our class. So, we have so many studio classes are there need to discuss. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, fine. So yesterday we have seen the selected different type of selectors. That first one is hover selector. Okay. So whenever we are hovering on the particular element, that that in that case, what are the properties we are going to apply? That properties is applied to that particular element. Here I have written for anchor tag. Okay. Not only for anchor tag, you can write for button, you can write by text box. Okay, anything you can write. And visited, okay, that this visited is there, right? Yesterday you have little bit confused, right? That visited color green. So you can easily see here, click me is now it is in the blue color, right? Okay, anchor tag, it is in the blue color. When I am visiting that, it will change to the green color. You can see now visiting means, so when I'm clicking on this link, so I have visited this link. So then in that cases, it will change that blue color to the green color. It will change. See, when I'm clicking on this, so it is changed. Click me because I have visited this link. Yesterday, I think we have little bit confused. We are trying to get that blue color, still we are not getting, but now we got right. Initially, that is blue color. So we can write that as a colon link. So color to red color. I'm applying. Okay, I'm refreshing. So first, whenever that anchor tag is there, right? Whenever that anchor tag will come, no, I'm removing this. Okay, now you can see a colon link. A colon link. So think presently don't have link, right? www.google.com. Okay, target target underscore blank. Now, now you can see that. Okay, before it doesn't have any link. Means when I'm clicking on that, there is no navigation. Okay, means as we have kept means it will not go anywhere. As means AHRF equal to as means it will not go anywhere. It will be stay on the same page only. Whenever you have given that inside that href, okay, inside this href, I have given the link www.google.com. This is a link, right? So now that anchor tag contains the link. So whatever the color that is there, right? That is applied. So because of that, that click me is in now red color. Okay, so we'll see again. if I'm making here as if I'm refreshing that, okay, we'll go to the browser, that red color gone. Why that red color is gone? Because here what I have did a colon link. Whenever that anchor tag having the link, then apply the red color. If doesn't have link, then apply the default color. Okay, the default color is that blue color it is applying. Okay. Yeah, like this only, right? We need to apply the color. Yeah, some brown color will apply. So default brown color is applying. When our mouse hovering on this background red color, white color is applied. Okay, this is default color. When this red color will apply here, when I have given that google.com. Okay, this is the link I have given. So whenever I have given that href Google link I have given, then it will change it to the red color. It will change. You can see that. And instead of that, here you want to see the difference. Then highlight. You can check. Okay. Now I don't have link, so that red color will not come. I will get the color violet. You can see that violet color is applied. Okay. Whenever I'm changing to the google.com link I'm giving. Okay, I'm saving this. So I got the red color. To get the difference between the link, colon link and colon visited. So this visited when it will come, whenever you have clicked on that. Okay. Currently, I didn't click on this link. I didn't click on this link, right? So if I'm clicking on this link, then it will be changed to the green color. You can see now. Okay, I'm clicking this. Now, okay, still it is red color only, right? A colon link. So in that cases, you need to give important. Okay, not important. Need to change, right? But not changing. Okay. Now it is changed to the visited green link. Okay, you can see that. Okay, because I have clicked this, right? Now it is visited link. Because of that, we got the green color. Okay, whenever I didn't visited, then it will be, if that is a link, then it will be looking as a red color. So if that doesn't have a link, then that default color is there, right? This will be applied. Don't be confused. First, if I don't have any link, I'm not clicked on that link. Okay, then default color will apply. If I have a link for that href, then this red color will apply. So whenever I have visited that, I means I'm clicking on that, this green color will apply. Okay, this h over is whenever I'm mouse hovering on this, either it is in any state. Any state, if you are writing anchor tag, a colon h over means either it is in any state, that mouse over is there, right? That mouse over effect is there, right? That background color white. These things will apply. Okay, irrespective of any condition, any situation. Okay, irrespective of anything. If you are writing for anchor tag colon h over means it is in the visited state or it is in the default state. Okay, this does nothing matter. Okay, it will apply that whatever the properties we are writing for the h over, that will apply. Okay, so these are the h over visited link and default properties. Okay, don't be confusing. So, and the next thing, focus. Okay, we already seen that uh, this for the input colon enabled, we have applied the background color green, right? So the text box is enabled only because we didn't write in here disabled. If you will write here input type text box is there, right? If I'll write here input type read only, okay, then it is not a disabled one. Okay, we can apply the disabled for the input type text box also. Now that background color, now here I have written, right, input colon disabled. Background color gray and white color I have applied. So if I'll remove here disabled means the input text box is defaultly enabled only. Okay, then the background color here input colon enabled, background color green I have applied. Because of that green color input for text box green color is applied, background color green applied, and the text color is white. Okay, in the similar case, see focus. Focus is nothing but whenever I'm entering into that text box means ready to enter the text. So first what we'll do, we'll go to the text box and we will click on that, right? So in that case, the focus colon focus factor will fire and that in that situation, and it will give you the background color, whatever we have applied here. So input colon type of text box colon focus. Whenever you are focusing on that text box, the background color is applied. So if I'll remove this, okay, instead of that, okay, I have clicked this. Why it is not applying? I think we need to specify like type we need to specify. Okay. Input type equal to text. Here, right? Okay. Input of type equal to text box. We need to specify, I think, here. So have refreshed. Okay. That background color is applied. Okay. Here clear, right? Input colon enabled, input colon disabled, and input colon focus. Whenever you are focusing on the text box, you will get input colon focus. Okay. And apart from this, we have few more selectors are there in this section only. So if I'll forget any selector, because of that, I have listed out all the selectors, CSS selectors. Yeah, okay. Link completed, visited completed, HR completed. Okay, this active is similar to the visited only. So you will not get more difference between them. Okay. This will see later and check it. Check it. Now you can see now what I'm doing. Input type equal to checkbox. I'm writing. Okay. I'm giving the some label here. Testing purpose only. You can okay. Some reading books. Now, input type checkbox. Again, this is some playing cricket. Okay, done. So we got two here. Okay, playing cricket and reading books. So my intention is input colon checked. If that input is checked, then what I'm going to do is background color, whether it will apply or not, I don't know. Okay, actually the default background color will not apply. We can still hide that default. Okay, input of type colon checkbox colon checked. Whenever I have checked this checkbox, I need to change the here what I'm doing. I'm changing the width and height properties. Okay, if I'm clicking here, you can see now. Okay, width and height is increased. Similar way, here I'm clicking. I'm unselecting means that is not checked. If it is checked, I'm making this as a width and height. I'm increasing. So you can see now. Both are in the unchecked condition, not checked condition, unchecked condition. Okay, if I'm checking, you can see now because here I have applied the width and height at 30 pixels. So whenever that input type checkbox, or here we can write for radio buttons also similar way. Okay, okay, I have refreshed this. So reading books, playing cricket, the two checkboxes, and these two are the radio buttons. We'll apply the break here. Okay. So now I'm clicking on this male and female. These are checked condition only, right? Male are I'm checking. In that cases also we can change. So similarly, we can copy the similar thing here. Instead of these check boxes, radio, we can apply the radio. That's simple. Okay, done. Now you can see if I'm checking the check box, I'm getting the width and height. Similar way, I'm clicking on the male. Okay, it is changing. Female, that is changing. Both options are selecting, right? That in that case radio buttons will not give you to select the both selections, right? In that cases what we need to do, only select the one of the male or female name. We need to write like, okay, for both name gender we need to add. Okay, we already seen this in the HTML form elements. Now you can see now either I can select male or either I can select a female. Okay, both options I can't select. Okay, male or female. Now similar way, reading books and playing cricket. So yesterday we have seen already. So for this both width and height both properties are same. In that cases what I can do, I can copy this and I can make a comma and I can add here and I can remove the, okay, I can remove that because both our properties are same. In that case, by using the comma separator, you can write in the same line only. Input type of checkbox, okay, that if it is checked, and comma means and input type equal radio colon checked. Whenever these happen, you can increase the width and height. We have given that also. Some we can give the background color. We'll check that background color will apply or not. I don't know. Okay, there is default background color. In that cases, we need to write custom selector and we'll apply the background color. Okay. So that we'll see later. For now, you can remember the selector class. In the properties, we can see that in the properties. For now, we are not discussing about the properties, right? Background class. Okay. Now, this is about checked, colon checked property. Next. Okay, first half type. Before going there, first half type, we will discuss about first child and first half type, and last child. Okay, colon last child. So to discuss that, what I am doing, I'm removing all this. In the body, I'm creating the one div. Inside that, first paragraph. Okay, first paragraph I have applied. The second paragraph, third, fourth paragraphs. Okay, first of all, second and third. Yeah, this is fourth paragraph. Now, so what I'm doing, I'm removing all this. Okay, in the class, you can see one by one by one by one, and you can apply all these properties. Okay. Instead of removing, I'm commenting. Okay, done. So I have one division, a div element. Okay, inside that div element, I have four paragraphs. In that four paragraphs, I want to select the first paragraph only, and I want to apply the some background color, and I need to change the color of the first paragraph. I have four paragraphs, right? So we already know. So before going to first child and first of type, we need to discuss about four important selectors are there that are combinator selectors. Okay, we'll complete this and we'll go there because it is interrelated. So first one is space. What is that space mean? So I want to select all the paragraph elements in the div. So div space p. If you write like this, div space p. So div is the parent now. Okay, div is the parent, p is the child. Okay, if I want to select all the children elements in the div, I can write like this: div space p. P is the child, all the child elements. Div is the div element. Okay, div is the parent element. So what I'm doing here, I have written one span. So this is span element. Okay, this is span element. I have saved this. Okay, this is I have four paragraphs and one span element. Here I have written like in the div all the paragraphs. Okay, all the paragraph elements need select that. Okay, now it will select all the paragraph and it will apply the background color green. Okay, green background color. So what it will do now in the this div tag, this div is the parent. Inside that all the paragraph elements apply the background color green. Now you can see, okay, first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph, fourth paragraph. I have applied the four paragraphs. It is applied for only four paragraphs. This span element it is not applied because this span is it is not a paragraph element, right? So because of that, what I have given here div space p means select a paragraph element which are inside this div element. Okay, this is div space p, parent child. Okay, and one more thing. So inside this third paragraph is there, right? I have given span span. I'm writing inside the paragraph. You can write spans, right? Because the span is a inline element. This is okay. This is inner span element. This is inner span element. Now you can see. Okay, here this is inner span element is existed here. Okay, it came here. Now I want to apply the some background color for this span. Okay, then how we can apply? We'll see now. Div inside that paragraph and inside that span. Okay, so can we write like this, right? So first, I'm selecting the span element. Span is in the paragraph. Okay, and that paragraph is in the div element. Here, this is the parent-child relation. Okay, so the span is the grandchildren and P is the parent and this is the grandparent. Okay, so this is the relation like that. Now I'm applying the some background color red here. Now we can see that. Okay, only this span element only it is applied. Not this span element is not applied because I have written like only you can select the span inside the paragraph only. If I'll remove this, then what will happen? Okay, then if I'll remove this, what will happen? It will apply for this span also. Okay, you can see now. It will apply for this span element also because what I have written here, the span, select a span element inside the div element. Okay, inside the div. Now div is the parent. Okay, div is the grandparent. So inside that div, whatever the span elements are there, you can select all the span elements. So because of that, this is span, this span only, right? This is also span, right? So both span elements are background color red and the all the paragraph element I have written like green. So in that cases we will use the space. Okay, remember this parent-child relation. Okay, if you want to select the child inside the parent, inside the another parent, like that, in that cases you can use separate by using the spaces. If so, if you miss the space, it will not work. Okay, so here, okay, you can check now that green color gone now because that space is compulsory, mandatory. Okay, div space P. So now that background color green is applied. This is about parent-child combinator or space combinator. The first one is space is completed. Okay. Next one is child. Okay. And with a greater than symbol. Okay. Now, instead of space, I'm giving now P. Now I have refreshed. Okay. This is immediate. Div is the immediate. Okay. Okay. Now to see the difference here. Before, if I'll give here space, you can see now, if I will give space here, give space paragraph, okay, it will apply the this paragraph element also, it is applied. Okay, background color, green color, it is applied for the this paragraph element also. Okay, this paragraph element also, it will apply background color green because I told all the paragraph elements you can apply. But now what I am telling, so that paragraph element is direct child for the div element. Okay, this paragraph element is the direct child for the div tag. Then only you can apply the background color green. Okay, otherwise don't apply. Okay, otherwise don't apply. So what happened? This inside this is P is the direct parent, direct child for the development, right? These are P. But here this P is not direct child. It is the child of span. Okay, it is the child of span. Because of that, if greater than P means that background color green is not applied for the not immediate paragraph element. Okay, this fifth paragraph, sixth paragraph also direct only, right? Okay, these two also direct to direct to children only, right? So because of that, it is applied for fifth and sixth also. Okay, this is about div greater than P. Greater than symbol, it will represent immediate children. Immediate children means own the same immediate children means for that paragraph element when all the children elements. Okay, children elements of P. Okay, only P that you can select. Now what I'm doing here is, okay, sibling paragraph. Okay, this is sibling, sibling paragraph. Okay, sibling paragraph. Okay, now you can see this inside that div. Currently what we are selecting, all the paragraph inside the div elements only we are selecting. But so this sibling paragraph 1, sibling paragraph 2, we are not selecting from this div perspective, right? Still we can select that element. How we can select means div plus P. Okay, div plus P. Div plus P means, so what it will do, after completing that div tag, the next element, whatever the next element is there, right? That next children element or next child element, it will select div plus P. P means here, this one only, right? The sibling paragraph. Here div plus P means that sibling paragraph it will select. So background color blue. Now you can see that sibling paragraph 1, okay, the background color green is applied because what I have written here, div plus P. So adjacent are sibling. After completing that div is the parent, right? So after that, the parent element, whatever the next element is there, right? That next element, I have written plus P, right? So next paragraph element. So for that element, you can apply the background color blue color. So I have written like this. So background color blue is applied. So I want to select the next all paragraph elements, not that next immediate element. I want to apply the next all paragraph elements. So instead of that paragraph P, I will apply tilde. Okay, tilde symbol. Tilde symbol. Then what it will do? It will apply all the paragraph element after that div tag. Okay. So after this div tag, okay, after this div tag, how many paragraph elements are there? That also direct child elements only. Okay, that direct child elements you can apply the background color blue. I have written here. So it is applied the background color blue color. It is applied. Okay, clear, right? So we have four. First one is space. Div space. Div space. That is used for parent child and child parent grandparent. So it will represent the parent child grandparent that relationship. Okay, that it will represent the parent child relation. The space means space selector used for represent the that parent child relations. Okay, and next one is greater than symbol. Okay, I have one div. Inside that I have 5 paragraphs. Inside that paragraph I want to select the paragraph element which are direct children for that parent, direct to children. So that paragraph elements is not children to any another element, direct to children's. Then in that case, if you use greater than symbol, div greater than p, then it will select you the all the children elements of the p. Okay, direct children elements of the div tag it will select. Next, plus symbol. Div plus p means div plus p. Div is the parent element. Now that parent element after that completing that div tag adjacent, okay, side sibling will call as a sibling. The sibling element first of the paragraph sibling element you can select and you can apply the background color blue I have written. So it is selected for first paragraph element. And next, tilt symbol. So that adjacent all the paragraph elements I need to select. I can write the blue I can write the div tilt p background color blue. Then it will apply for the all the uh, what it will apply for the siblings, all the siblings. Okay, adjacent siblings. Okay, so these all selectors we will call as the adjacent selectors or sibling selectors. Okay, now we will come to the our first child, first of type, last child. That part will come. So completing this only, you can understand that. So because of that, I told now. Now here I have one div and inside that 5 paragraph elements are there. I want to select the first, first paragraph element, not all the paragraph elements, not all the children elements, only one element. I want to select the particular element, first element. So div space p colon first child. Ramesh, ah, sorry, get that some internet connection happened. Okay, so I have one div element and inside that 5 paragraph elements I have happened here. Why this red color and everything gone? Anyone noticed this? Okay, because of this. Okay. Okay, div p colon first child. Inside the paragraph element, I have 6 paragraph element. Inside that, I want to select the first paragraph element only, and I need to apply the background color for the first paragraph. Green. Now you can see. Yes, this will also apply. Why? Because div inside the div first child of paragraphs. All the first child of paragraphs. Now for this div, this paragraph. Okay. So for this div tag, this is the first child, and this span also. So this span also inside the div only, right? So now div acting as a grandparent. So if I'll directly, if I'll write only span like this, okay, then now you can see the difference. It will, this will not apply, okay, because inside the div, inside the span, inside that first child, we have specifically mentioned that. Okay, inside the span element, the first child only applies the green color. So I'm not mentioning this span means now the div is for this div is the grandparent, right? Still, all the children elements it will take as a these children elements only. The so that first paragraph element, first child, okay, paragraph first child element. We told that select that only. So he selected this first paragraph and this selected. Okay. Next, to select the first child here. So to select the last child. Sorry, this space P colon. Okay, last child. I want to apply the background color red. So uh, for this span, okay, for this span, okay, this span is the first child as well as the last child also. This one only, right? Because of that, this paragraph also changed. So what I'm doing, if I okay, what I'm doing, I'm copying this. I'm creating one more. So now you can see for this span element, at least for this div element, this second P is the last child. Okay, and as well as this sixth paragraph is there, right? This is also last child only for this div tag. So that is applied the background color red. Okay, this is first child and last child. Now we have one more, right? Instead of that first child, I'm taking first of type. Okay, first of type P only. P first of type means first child B, right? We will have one difference there here. P colon first of type, P colon last child. Right here, first of type means only this first paragraph only need to select. This span will not select. Okay, right? We'll see the difference now. We'll see the difference now. A parent can have one or more child elements. Okay, so these they do, and said that among these children, only one of them can be the first. This is matched by first child. Okay, this we already seen. This is the first child. The difference between first child and first of type is that first of type which match the first element of its element type, which is an HTML represented by tag name. Even if that element div colon first child, div colon first of type. Because this will only select correct only if you change the type of the first child. Yes, I got. I got now. Sorry guys. Div colon first child. Now, what is that? Actually, the difference is div colon first child means all the all the children elements in that div, the first child elements will select. Okay. If first half type means if here I have one more div, this is div. Okay. Now if I'll apply first half type. Okay, this is applying for all. See the difference. Same thing, right? Okay, we'll take this example only. We'll see. We'll execute that. What he has taken. One div inside that. Okay, first is the child and remaining div like that he taken. Executing that, we'll see. When confused, he is using just a class. Okay, because this class is the parent, right? Dot parent. Okay, dot parent colon first child color red and dot colon first of type background color yellow. Dot parent p colon first child. Test. Okay. Yes. Yes. You can see dot parent colon first child. So first we will remove this. We can understand the difference between this child and this. Okay. So dot parent colon first child. First child is now paragraph, right? This paragraph. P is the first child. So because of that, red color is applied. Okay. And first of type means for this div, inside the div element is the type div tag, right? Inside that, if any children element that is starting with the type div, okay, then apply the background color yellow. Okay, he is given like that. Okay. So because of that, this is also first of children only and first of type specifically is mentioned that background color yellow. So this is applied and here also it is applied. For the child, it is not applied the color red because this div is the not a not a first child. Because of that, that red color is not applied. First child, first of type. Okay. In that cases, only if I'll write first child means it will the paragraph element only select, right? But I want to select the type, first of type. This one also I need to select the same type of the element. If I this is div tag, right? So I have given that first div this child of type same type with the parent. This div having the same type with the parent. In that cases, the background color yellow will come. Okay. So because of that, this child is applied and this one also applied. Because of that only in our recent examples for every element it is applying. Okay. There we have mentioned that P, right? So type of the type. First of type means all the paragraph elements are type of that P only, right? Because of that, all the elements that background color blue green color is changed. Okay. This is the first child and first of type. Similarly, last child. Okay. You don't have last of type, last child. You can see now. Last child background color red. Now that gone. In that the div class parent, last child is this div child, right? This child. I have applied the background color. That color is red. So because of that, it is applied the child color red. Similar way, we can take that here P last child. Okay. That last child color red it came, but I want this color also red. Means that last type of the div. Now dot parent colon last of type. Okay, so color red. Now you can see. Okay, this type, last of type, that div type, last div type, apply the red color. So this last div color, apply the red color. Okay, this is the last child and last of type. Next, to check this there, right? First of type, this is completed, right? Then nth child. Okay, this is related to the nth child. We'll see nth child. So what we'll do, we'll create few more divs. Okay, I'm commenting this code. Div, otherwise dot parent. Okay, dot parent and colon nth child of. I want to select third element. Okay, I want to select the third element. Uh, Till now, what we are doing, first child or last child, first of type, last of type only are selecting. But I want to select the specific element. Either it may be first element, second element, third element. Okay, you can write there inside that of three there, right? That position you can write. If you want to select last child, you can give n, and last but one n minus one. Like last but one n minus two. Like that you can write. Here last nth child of three I have written, and color. Okay, instead of that color, background color to red I am applying. Okay, now you can see that this is first child. Okay, this is second child, this is third child. So that third child I have applied the background color red. Similarly, you can change to how many are there, fourth. Okay, fourth, then it will go to the next, like that. Fifth child, so like that. If I'll apply n minus 2. Okay, n is the last child actually. Sorry, not n minus 2. N first will apply n. N means it will come to the all right. Okay, to first last n minus 1 up to 1, that all the elements I have selected. Okay, to first element. If I'll write it to second element, nth child of n. So guys, tomorrow we'll discuss about this nth child because I have another meeting there. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. We have till the selectors we have in range, out range. We need to see, and the colon root. Okay, and this language and active I have told, right? That active we need to discuss. These the five selectors are remaining, and remaining these pseudo elements. Okay, before, after, first letter, first line selection. So these, I think total 10. I think total 30 selectors are there. 30 plus selectors are there. Till now we have discussed 20 selectors, and the remaining 10 selectors we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Okay, after completing the class, I will send you the meeting video. You can see that videos and you can practice all this. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in tomorrow class. Okay, bye everyone.